Welcome back everyone. Okay, after a couple of hours of working on making these bubbles, repairing them using a combination of the milliput and it's my putty. I've closed up all the gaps that I could find, grinded down the bubbled areas. So as you can see around this edge there are quite a few bubbles. I fixed up this gap that I accidentally pulled loose and then filled up with the Tamaya putty around the edges. I had a small bubble over there. Over here as well around the edges. On this top pod I had a small bubble on this tip, and I had a bubble that formed over here at the back, so that's all closed up. And the wings, filled up that light that had a bubble on around the edges where it wasn't smooth enough, and that will be on both of them. This one as well. Wasn't too much work on the wings. Seats as well. Landing gear, had a couple at the bottom. And then what I did was I took the platform, and after gluing everything together, the main parts, as you can see, filled up, I had those two huge bubble areas at the bottom, filled them up with the milliput, glued on the panels at the back, and like I mentioned before, glued it all together. So glued on once it's dry, glue on these panels. What I found was when I put it together, I haven't sanded down yet, for some reason this edge is not fitting in flush against this edge, so it's not pushing enough forward. Okay, so the option is either if I glue the pod on, then I'm going to have to fill up these edges, but if you're on the pod off, you're going to have those gaps. So I'm going to try and see, because I'd like to remove the pods, if I can maybe sand down this edge to bring the pod forward, and that's on both sides. So I'll try that when I'm doing my sanding, but it sits very tightly, sits very well, and it doesn't fall off. Like I was saying, there are slight gaps, might need filling if you put it in permanently. And then the main section as well, exactly the same method. I just glue it together and just filled up with my putty. So now what I'm going to do is do the sanding, and then I'll be back and we'll see how it looks. Thanks.